Next one. Sigma r equal to 0 to n NCR 2 power n. Sigma r equal to 0 to n r into NCR n into 2 power n minus 1. Already మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోస్ లో. Sigma r equal to 0 to n r into r minus 1 NCR n into n minus 1 2 power n minus 2. Sigma r equal to 0 to n r into r minus 1 r minus 2 NCR. 3 steps. So n into n minus 1 into n minus 3, n minus 2. This one is 3 steps. So n minus 2 power n minus 3. 2 steps, 2 power n minus 2. 1 step, 2 power n minus 1. There is no step. So 2 power n. Sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r NCR equal to 0. Sigma r equal to 0 to n NCR equal to 2 power n. Sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r NCR equal to 0. Sigma r equal to 0 r into NCR equal to n into 2 power n minus 1. Sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r into NCR equal to 0. Minus 1 whole power r into 0 అయిపోతుందండి. This term is n into n minus 1 into 2 power n minus 1. అదే minus 1 whole power r ఉంటే enter value 0. This one minus 1 whole power r ఉంటే ఏమవుతుందండి? This result will be 0. Sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power r into r square NCR. Sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power r square r into r minus 1 plus 1 into NCR equals. Sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power r into r minus 1 plus NCR plus sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power r into 1 r into NCR. Sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r into r minus 1 NCR 0. This value is 0 plus sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r into NCR equal to 0. So this result is 0. Given sum. What is given sum? First term 1 into 3 into 5 into and so on. Common difference is r equal. Common difference is plus 2. Common difference ni r తో మల్టిపుల్ చేయాలి. ఏమొస్తుందండి? 2r. ఇక్కడ r అనేది ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది? మనకి 2 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. r ఈక్వల్ 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందా, r ఈక్వల్ 2 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందా, r ఈక్వల్ 1 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందా మనం చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ r అనేది మనకి 2 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో r ఈక్వల్ 2 వేసామనుకోండి, 2 into 2 4 వస్తుంది. మనకి ఫస్ట్ టైం ఏం కావాలి? 1 కావాలి. సో 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 1. అదే r ఈక్వల్ 3 వేసామనుకోండి, ఏమొస్తుంది? 2 3 6, 6 minus 3 3. r ఈక్వల్ 4, 2 into 4 8, 8 minus 3 5. అది చెప్పాము చూడండి. సో positive negative. So minus 1 whole power summation r equals 2 to 35 minus 1 whole power r 35. Okay, first term is 1 3 5. This one is 2r minus 3 into. Next one is 4 into 7 into 10 into and so on. Common difference is plus 3. Common difference multiply by r. 3 into r 3r. Yeah, start with r equal to 2. r equal to substitute చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందండి? 3 into 2 6. మనకి ఫస్ట్ టైం 4 కావాలి. సో 6 minus 2 4. సో దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ 3r minus 2. r equal to 3 substitute చేసామనుకోండి, 9 minus 2 7. Now 35cr. Here r equal to 2. 35c2, r equal to 3, 35c3 and so on. Sigma r equal to 2 to 35 minus 1 whole power r. So product of these two, 6r square minus 4r minus 9r. So minus 13r plus 6. మనకి ఎలా ఉండాలంటే r into r minus 1 ఉండాలి. r into r minus 1 ఉండాలంటే 6r చేద్దాం. 6r into r minus 1. 6r into r minus 1 ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి 6r square minus 6r వస్తుంది. 6r square minus 13r అవైలబుల్ ఉంది. సో కౌంటర్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఎంత ఉందని మనకి minus 7r plus 6 into 35cr. Sigma r equals 2 to 35 minus 1 whole power r. 6 bring outside. R into r minus 1 35cr minus 7 into sigma r equals 2 to 35 r into 35cr plus 6 into sigma r equals 2 to 35. So here minus 1 whole power r into r. Now minus 1 whole power r into 35cr. Now we are using formula r into NCR. Both the values are same. Both the terms are same. R into NCR. What formula r into NCR? N into n minus 1c r minus 1 is a formula. Standard formula I explained this already. R into NCR, n into n minus 1c r minus 1. Here r into r. Here r and r, both the terms are same. First step is n is 35 into r minus 1 into 35 minus 1 34c r minus 1. Again r into NCR, r is r minus 1. Again using same formula, n into 35 into n into what's n 34 into n minus 1 34 minus 1 33c r minus 1 minus 1 r minus 2. Six times of sigma r equals 2 to 35 constant terms into 35 into 34 sigma r equals 2 to 35 minus 1 whole power r 33c r minus 2 minus again here r into r. We know that sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power r into NCR equal to 0. R equal to 0. First term is NC 0, second term is NC 1, third term is NC 2. Start with r equal to 0. ఇక్కడ r equal to 2 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందండి. అంటే ఏం చేయాలి మనకి ఏ టర్మ్స్ లేవు మనకి ఇక్కడ 35c0 not there, 35c1 not there. 35c0 పాజిటివ్ టర్మ్, 35c1 నెగిటివ్ టర్మ్. ఈ టూ టర్మ్స్ మనకి సీక్వెన్స్ లేవండి. ఎంత వేసాం 0. ఇది సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి కదా మనం, యాడింగ్ అంటే సబ్ట్రాక్ట్. సో మైనస్ 35c0 ప్లస్ 35c1. ఐ హోప్ యూ ఆర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్. ఇక్కడ 35c2 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది మనకి, 35 NC0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయితేనే 0 వస్తుంది. సో యాడింగ్ 35c0 మైనస్ 35c1 యాడ్ చేస్తాం అండ్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తాం. సో అంటే రిజల్ట్ 0 మైనస్ 35c0 ప్లస్ 35c1 ప్లస్ 6 ఇంటూ సిగ్మా r ఈక్వల్స్ టు r ఈక్వల్ 2 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందండి. అంటే 35c2 వస్తుంది మనకి. 35c r సిగ్మా r ఈక్వల్ 0 to n minus 1 whole power r NCR. ఫస్ట్ NC0 నెక్స్ట్ NC2 NC3 NC0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి. ఇక్కడ కూడా 2 టైమ్స్ మనకి లేవు. ఏం చేయాలి మనం 0 మైనస్ here యాడింగ్ 35c0 minus 35c1, adding these two and subtract these two. So subtracting, so 35c0 plus 35c1. లేదంటే ఇక్కడ మీరు ఫార్ములా ఇచ్చేసాను చేసుకోవచ్చు. r ఇంటూ ఉంది కదండి, r ఇంటూ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఫార్ములా ఇచ్చేసాను చేయొచ్చు. What's the formula? R into NCR. R into NCR equals n into n minus 1c r minus 1. Now minus 7 into n is 35. sigma r equals 2 to 35 minus 1 whole power r, 35 minus 1 34 c r minus 1. మనకి ఇక్కడ r equal to 1, r equal to సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ r equal to 2 minus 1 అంటే 34 c1 వస్తుంది. r equal 3 వేస్తే 35, r equal 3 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 35 c2 వస్తుంది. అంటే 35 c0 లేదండి, అంటే యాడింగ్ 35 c0 అండ్ సబ్ట్రాక్టింగ్ 35 c0. నౌ here 35 c0 not there, 34 c0 not there. So adding and subtracting. So minus 7 into 35 into 34 0 plus 34 c0. Simplify it. This time is r equal to 35 c0, r equal to 35 c1. Start with 35 c0. Start with NCR minus 1 whole power r, NCR equal to 0. So 6 into 35 into 34 into this time is 0 minus 7 into 35 plus 34 0 is 1 plus 6 into 0 0, 6 into minus 1 minus 6. 35 c1 is 35 plus 6 into 35. This is the final answer. Simplify చేయండి. This time is 0 minus 7 35 33 21 245 minus 245 minus 6 6 5 is 0 3 18 2 10. So 204 minus 245 plus 204. So minus 41 is the answer. So minus 41 is the final answer. I hope you understand this one. Next problem. 30C0 5 power 100 minus 30C1 5 power 98 into 3 power 3 plus 30C2 5 power 96 into 3 power 6 and so on. Given sum is sigma, start with 0, r equal to 0, r equal to 0 to 30. Now 5 power of 5 100, 98, 96 and so on. Common difference is minus 2. Common difference is minus 2. Common difference multiplied by r, minus 2r. Here r equal to 0, substitute చేసామనుకోండి, minus 2 into 0 0, 100 కావాలి, so plus 100. r equal to 1 substitute చేసామనుకోండి, minus 2 plus 100 98. r equal to 2, minus 2 into 2 4, minus 4 plus 100 96. Now 5 power minus 2r plus 100. Now power of 3 into 3 power 1, power of 3. Here 3 power 0, 3 power 3, 3 power 6. Here first one is 3 power 0, 0, 3 power 3, 3 power 6 and so on. Common difference is plus 3. Common difference is plus 3. So common difference name చేయాలి, r తో multiple చేయాలి. We get 3r. First r equal to 0, r equal to 0, start with 0, r equal to 0. So 3 into 0 0, first time వచ్చేస్తుంది. r equal to 1, 3 into 1 3, r equal to 6. So 3 power 3r. So first positive negative positive negative. So minus 1 whole power r into 30 cr. This is the given sum. Bring outside constant a power n plus n, a power m into a power n. 5 power 100 is a constant. Bring outside. Sigma r equal to 0 to 30 cr. Just leave it. 30 cr minus 1 into 5 power minus 2r minus 2, 5 power minus 2 into 3 power 3 whole power r minus 1 whole power r, 5 power minus 2 into r, 5 power minus 2r, 3 power 3 into r, 3 power 3r. Now 5 power 100 sigma r equal to 0 to 30, 30 cr into simplified minus 3 cube 27 by 5 square 25, 27 by 25, 27 by 25 minus of whole power r. We know that sigma r equal to 0 to n ncr x power r. What's the formula? Sigma r equal to 0 to n ncr x power r, it is standard result 1 plus x whole power n, 1 plus x whole power n. Sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power r ncr into x power r equals 1 minus x whole power n. So this one is minus 1 whole power r into x power r, minus 1 whole power r into x power r, 27 by 25 whole power r. Now this formula is 1 minus x, here x is 27 by 25 whole power n is 30 into 5 power 100. This will be 5 power 100 into 25 minus 27 minus 2 by 5 to 25, 25 is the 5 square whole power 30. This will be 5 power 100 into minus 1 minus 2 whole power even, so we get positive 2 power 30 by 5 power 2 into 30 is 60. So finally this will be 5 power 40 into 2 power 30. This is the final answer. Next problem. 1 into 50c1 minus 4 into 50c2 5 square, 7 into 50c3 5 power 4 minus 10 into 50c4 5 power 6 and so on. First we need to calculate sum, given sum. Sigma r equal to 0 or 1, let's start with 1, r equal to 1 to 50, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now positive, negative, minus 1 whole power r plus 1, not minus 1 whole power r. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ r equal start with r equal to 0, suppose sigma r equal to 0 to 50 అండి, 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు minus 1 whole power r, minus 1 whole power 0, minus 1 whole power 1, minus 1 whole power 2. కానీ ఇక్కడ r ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, 1 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, సో minus 1 whole power r plus 1. Sigma r equal to 2 to 50 minus 1 whole power r plus 2, r plus 2 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి, 2 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ టర్మ్ 1, 4, 7, 10 కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 common difference multiply by r, common difference r తో multiple చేయాలి, we get 3r. here r start with r 0 or 1, 1, first r equal to 1, 3 into 1 3, ఇక్కడ first time 1 required, so 3 into 1 3, 3 minus how much is 1, 3 minus 2, 3r minus 2 equal to 1, r equal to 2, 6 minus 2 4, r equal to 3, 9 minus 2 7, it is the rth term. Now 3r minus 2. Next this one is the 5 power 0, 5 square, 5 power 4, 5 power 6 and so on. This one is 5 power 0, 5 square, 5 power 4, 5 power 6. Common difference is plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ ని r తో మల్టిపుల్ చేయాలి, 2r వస్తుంది. r ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, 1, r ఈక్వల్ టు 1, స్టార్ట్ విత్ r ఈక్వల్ టు 1, సో r ఈక్వల్ టు 1, 2 into 1 2, మనకు కావాల్సింది 0 అండి, సో 2 minus almost 0, 2 minus 2 0, r ఈక్వల్ టు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి, 4 minus 2 2, r ఈక్వల్ టు 3, 6 minus 2 4, Now this term is 5 power 2r minus 2 into 50cr. Sigma r equal to 1 to 50. Bring outside 3. 5 power 2r minus 2 into r into 50cr minus 2 into sigma r equal to 1 to, here minus 1 whole power r plus 1, minus 1 whole power r plus 1 minus 2 into 5 power 2r minus 2 into 50cr. 3 into sigma r equal to 1 to 50. This one is like n into, r into NCR. What's the formula? N into n minus 1 c r minus 1. Now minus 1 whole power r plus 1 into 5 power 2 r minus 1. So 5 power 2 whole power r minus 1. Next, this result will be n into 50 into 50 is constant, being outside, n into n minus 1 c r minus 1. So 49c r minus 1 minus 2 into sigma r equal to 1 to 50 minus 1 whole power r plus 1 into 5 power 2 r, 5 power minus 2, bring outside, constant 5 power minus 2 into 50 cr. 3 into 50, 150, sigma r equal to 1 to 50. Minus 1 whole power r plus 1 is the r term. Minus 1 whole power r is minus 1. Now 49c r minus 1, 5 power 2 minus 5 power, this guy is minus 5 power 2 whole power r minus 1 minus 2 into 2 by 5 square 25, sigma r equal to 1 to 50, this is r term. So minus 5 power 2 whole power r into 50c r equal to 1, 49c 0, r equal to 49c 1. So 0, 1, 2 sequence వస్తుంది, no problem అండి ఇక్కడ. So now we know that sigma r equal to 0 to n NCR x power r equal to 1 plus x power whole power n. Sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power r NCR into x power r equal to 1 minus x whole power n. This is a formula. So here minus 1 whole power r minus 1. Here NCR whole power r minus 1. NCR x power r. NCR x power r. NCR x power r. This one in this case 49 n. NCR minus 1 x power r minus 1. And match hai. So 150 into what's the formula? 1 minus x. X is 5 square 25. 1 minus x whole power n. N is 49. R equal to 50 minus 1, 49. Minus 2 by 25. What is this term? Here R equal to 0 not there. 50c 0 not there. So subtracting 50c 0. R equal, here start with R equal to 1. 49c 0, 49c 1, 49c 2 sequence వస్తుందండి. ఇక్కడ మనకి 50c 0, start with 50c 0 వస్తుందని 50c 1 రావట్లేదు. So subtracting that term, adding and subtracting. 50c 0 minus 5 square whole power 0, adding and subtracting. So this result is 1 minus 5 square whole power r is 50 minus, here adding this term and subtract this term. So minus 50c 0 minus 5 square whole power 0. Now 150 into 1 minus 5 square minus 24 whole power 49 minus 2 by 25 into minus 24 whole power 50. 50 see 0 is 1. Minus 5 whole power 0. Any number power 0 is 1. Now minus of minus plus 2 by 5 into plus 1. So finally this will be minus 24 whole power part 9 is odd number. So bring outside minus 150 into 24 power 49. This one is a positive term. Minus 2 by 25 into 24 whole power 50 plus 2 by 5. This is the final answer. This one, when term containing or is present in the denominator. Previous problems when term containing or in is present in numerator. R అనేది numerator present అయినప్పుడు ఎలా చేయాలో చేస్తాం problems. Now type 2, R is present in denominator. Now use this formula NCR by R plus 1. Previous one, R containing when term containing R is present in numerator. ఏ ఫామ్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం మనం? R into NCR, n into n minus 1 C R minus 1. In this case, term containing R is present in the denominator. Present in denominator. Denominator R ఉందనుకో, half term ఉందనుకోండి, మేము ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఏ ఫామ్ యూజ్ చేయాలి? NCR. NCR by R plus 1. The formula is n plus 1 C R plus 1 by n plus 1. ఈ ఫార్ములా ఆల్రెడీ మనం ప్రూవ్ చేసాం, దీన్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసాం, సమ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా చేసాం, సాల్వ్ చేసాం. ఫస్ట్ గివెన్ సమ్ సిగ్మా హియర్ ఆర్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ 1 to 35 CR by 2 3 4 5 and so on. Common difference is plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So plus 1 common difference multiply by R. Plus 1 into R. Here start with R equal to 1. R equal to 1 substitute చేసాం అనుకోండి 1 వస్తుంది. మనకి ఫస్ట్ టైం 2 కావాలి. 1 plus how much is 2? 1. R plus 1. R equal to 1. 1 plus 1 2. R equal to 2 plus 1 3. R equal to 3. 3 plus 1 4 and so on. So R plus 1. This one like NCR by n plus R. Sorry, NCR by R plus 1. So what's the formula? Sigma R equal to 1 to 35 NCR by R plus 1. Formula is n plus 1. 35 plus 1 36. C R plus 1 by n plus 1. 35 plus 1 36. So bring outside 1 by 36 outside. Bring outside 1 by 36. Sigma R equal to 1 to 35 36 C R plus 1. One important point, sigma R equal to 0 to n NCR 2 power n. Now it is R equal to 0 NC 0, R equal to 1 NC 1, R equal to NC 2, R equal to 3 NC 3 and so on. R equal to n NCn. So this formula is 2 power n. Start with 0 to n. Here R equal to 1 we get 36 C 2, R equal to 36 C 3. Here start with R equal to 1. Start with 1. We get 36 C 2 వస్తుందండి. 36 2 వస్తుందంటే 36 C 0, 36 C 1 not there. So adding 36 C 0 and 36 C 1. Adding these two terms and subtract these two terms. Now 1 by 36, entire result of this one is 2 power n equal 36. 2 power 36 minus of, subtract these two. 36 is 0 plus 36 is 1. Now 1 by 36 into 2 power 36 minus 36 is 0 1. 36 1 is 36 minus 36. Finally 2 power 36 minus 35 37. 37 minus 37 by 36. This is the final answer. Next problem, party C 0 by 2 plus party C 1 by 3 plus party C 2 by 4 plus and so on, party C 39 by 41. Sigma R equal to 0 to 39. Party C R by 2, 3, 4 and so on, party 1. Common difference plus 1 plus 1. Common difference multiply by R. R into 1 R. Here R equal to 0. R equal to 0 substitute చేస్తే 0 అయిపోతుంది. ఫస్ట్ టైం మనకు 2 కావాలి. సో R plus 2. R equal to 0. 0 plus 2 2. R equal to 1. 1 plus 2 3. R equal to 2 plus 2 4. So R plus 2. Sigma R equal to 0 to 39. What is the formula? NCR by R plus 1. Party CR by R plus 1 required. So R plus 1 multiplied by R plus 1 divided by R plus 1 into party CR by R plus 2. NCR by R plus 1, party CR by R plus 1, N plus 1 CR plus 1 by N plus 1 formula. Sigma R equal to 0 to 39, R plus 1 into party CR by R plus 1, party plus 1, party 1 C R plus 1 by R plus 1, sorry, N plus 1 here, N equal to party, party plus 1, party 1 by R plus 2. Sigma R equal to 0 to 39, bring outside 1 by 41, 1 by 41 into R plus 1, 41C R plus 1 by R plus 2. Again this one is NCR by R plus 1, NCR by R plus 1, R plus 1 and R plus 2. Now NCR by R plus 1, N plus 1 C R plus 1 by N plus 1. Again using formula. 1 by 41 sigma R equal to 0 to 39. R plus 1 into, this one is 41 plus 1, 42C R plus 2 by 42. This will be 1 by 41 into 42. Sigma R equal to 0 to 39. R plus 1, 42C R plus 2. One by 41 into 42, sigma R equal to 0 to 39. What's the formula? R into NCR, N into N minus 1 C R minus 1. Here 42C R plus 2 there. Now R plus 2 minus 1. R plus 2 minus 1 is R plus 1. ఎందుకంటే R plus 2 వచ్చిన ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది ప్రాబ్లం. సో 42C R plus 2. 1 by 41 into 42, sigma R equal to 0 to 39, R plus 2 into 42C R plus 2 minus sigma R equal to 0 to 39, 42C R plus 2. One by 41 into 42, sigma R equal to 0 to 39, R into NCR, N into N minus 1 C R minus 1, N into N equal to 42. Now 42 into N minus 1, 41 C R plus 1 minus sigma R equal to 0 to 39, 42 C R plus 2. 42 42 cancel out, 1 by 41, and take this one. 1 by 41 into 42, 42 into sigma r equal to 0 to 39, r equal to 0, 41c 1, so here 0 missing, r equal to 1, 41c2, r equal to 3, 41c3, and so on, r equal to 39, 41c 40. So 41c 0 missing and 41c 41 missing. These two terms are missing. And so 42 into this one is 2 power 41 minus 2 terms are missing. So minus 41c 0 minus 41c 41. Just minus r equal to 0. 42c2, starting with 42c2, it means 0 missing, 1 missing. Next, r equal 39, 39 plus 2, 39 plus 2, 41, 42c, 41, 42 missing. So, missing, 0 missing, 1 missing, 42 missing. So subtract these two. Now 2 power 42 minus 42c0 minus 42c1 minus 42c42. 1 by 41 into 42, 42 into 2 power 41 minus 41c0 1, 41c41 is 1. Minus 2 power 42 minus 42 0 is 1 minus 42 c1 is 42 minus 1. This is the final answer. Simplify it. 42 42 cancelled. 1 by 41 into 2 power 41 minus 2 minus 1 by 41 into 42, 2 power 42 minus 44. This is the final answer. Next one. Find 32c0 by 1 into 2, 32c1 by 2 into 3 plus 32c2 by 3 into 4 and so on. Given sum is sigma r equal to 0 to 32. 32c r by 1, 2, 3. 1 into 2 into 3 into and so on. Common difference is plus 1 plus 1. Common difference multiplied by r. 1 into r. You start with r equal to 0. So 0 వస్తుంది, r వాల్యూ 0 వేస్తే 0 వస్తుందండి. మనం ఫస్ట్ టైం ఏం కావాలి, 1 కావాలి. ఫస్ట్ టైం 1 కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి, 0 ప్లస్ 1. r equal to 0 we get 1, r equal to 1 we get 2, r equal to we get 3. So r plus 1. Second term 2, 3, 4 and so on. Common difference is plus 1 plus 1. So common difference multiplied by r. 1 into r. You'll start with r equal to 0. r equal to 0. So r equal to 0 means we get 0. First time మనకి 2 కావాలి. 0 plus how much 2? 2. 0 plus 2, 2. r equal to 1. 1 plus 2, 3. r equal to 2 plus 2, 4. This one is r plus 2. NCR by r plus 1. n plus 1 c r plus 1 by n plus 1. Sigma r equal to 0 to 32. NCR by r plus 1. What's the formula? N plus 1. 33 c r plus 1 by 33 into r plus 2. Again NCR by r plus 1. This one is r. This one is r plus 1. Sigma r equal to 0 to 32, 30 n plus 1 c by r plus 2. Now 34 c r plus 2 by 32 into 33 plus 1, 34. Yeah, 33. R plus 1. So n plus 1 is 33. 33 into 34. Sigma R equal to 0 to 32. Bring outside 33 into 34. Now 34C R plus 2. R equal to 0. You get 34C 2. So 0, 1 missing. R equal 32. 32 plus 2, 34. 34 there. 36, 34 there. But 34C 0 not there. 34C 1 not there. 1 by 33 into 34, 2 power 34 minus missing a 0, 34C 0 minus 34C 1. So 1 by 33 into 34, 2 power 34 minus 1 minus 34. So 1 by 33 into 34, 2 power 34 minus 35. Next problem, 17C 0 by 1, 2, 3, 4 power 5, 17C 1 by 2 into 3 into 4, 4 power 7, plus 17C 2, 3 into 4 into 5 into 4 power 9 and so on. Given sum is sigma R equal to 0 to 17. C/R by, start with R equal to 0. So common difference is 1. R into 1, 1. R into 1 is R. R equal to 0, 0 plus 1. So R plus 1. First time is R plus 1. Second time is R plus 2. This time is R plus 3. 4 power. Power of 4, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Common difference is plus 2, plus 2. Common difference multiply by 2, we get 2R. We start with R equal to 0. R equal to 0. 2 into 0, 0. First time 5 kaval. So 2R plus 5. 0 plus 5, 5. R equal to 1. 2 into 2 plus 5, 7. R equal to 2. 4 plus 5, 9. So 4 power 2R plus 5. Positive, negative, positive, negative. So minus 1 whole power R. Sigma R equal to 0 to 17 minus 1 whole power R. NCR by R plus 1. NCR by R plus 1. What is the formula? N plus 1. 18 C R plus 1 by 18 into R plus 2 into R plus 3. Again NCR by R plus 1. Sigma R equal to 0 to 17 minus 1 whole power R. So this time is 19CR plus 2 by 18 into 19 into R plus 3. Again NCR by R plus 1. Sigma R equal to 0 to 17 minus 1 whole power R. 20CR plus 3, bring outside constants, 18 into 19 into 20. Here is 17CR, okay, 20CR plus 3. So into this term, into 4 power 2R plus 5 into 4 power 2R plus 5 into 4 power 2R plus 5. NCR, here R is R plus 3. ఆర్ ప్లస్ ఏముందండి, ఆర్ ప్లస్ 3 ఉంది. మనకు ఇక్కడ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4 ఆర్ ప్లస్ 3 ఉంది అనుకోండి. బికాజ్ సిగ్మా ఎన్సిఆర్ ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఆర్ ఫామ్ ఉంది, అప్లై చేయొచ్చు కదా. 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ హోల్ పవర్ ఎన్, సిగ్మా మైనస్ 1 హోల్ పవర్ ఆర్ ఎన్సిఆర్ ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఆర్ 1 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ హోల్ పవర్ ఎన్. సో ఎన్సిఆర్ ఆర్ ఏముందండి, ఆర్ ప్లస్ 3. పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4 కూడా ఆర్ ప్లస్ 3 వచ్చేటట్టు చేద్దాం. పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4 ఆర్ ప్లస్ 3 ఎలా వస్తుందండి, ప్లస్ 1 మైనస్ 1. దిస్ టైమ్ ఈజ్ 1 by 18 into 19 into 20. Sigma r equal to 0 to 17 minus 1 whole power r 20c r plus 3. So 4 power 2r plus 5, 2r plus 6 into 4 power minus 1. Base or equal power should be added. 2r plus 6 minus 1, we get 2r plus 5. 1 by 18 into 19 into 20, bring outside. So into 4 power minus 1, this will be 1 by 4. Sigma r equal to 0 to 17. 20 c r plus 3 minus 1 whole power r into 4 power 4 square whole power r plus 3. 2 into r plus 3, we get 2r plus 6. So NCR x power r. One important point, minus 1 whole power r, minus 1 whole power r plus 3 into minus 1 whole power minus 3. Base or equal power should be added, we get minus 1 whole power r. So this one is minus 1 whole power r plus 3 minus 1 whole power minus 3. 1 by 18 into 19 into 20 into 1 by 4. Sigma r equal to 0 to 17. Now 20 c r plus 3 minus 1 whole power r plus 3 into minus 1, sorry, 4 square whole power r plus 3. This will be minus 4 square whole power r plus 3. Now minus 1 whole power 3, 1 by minus 1 whole power 3, 1 by minus 1, this will be minus 1. So bring outside minus. Okay. Sigma NCR minus x power r. Sigma NCR minus whole power r into x power r. What's the formula? 1 minus x whole power n. So this will be minus 1 by 18 into 19 into 20 into 1 by 4. So 1 minus x, here x is 4 square 16 whole power r plus 3. Here whole power n is 20. This is the final answer. One important point, here some terms are missing. Some terms are missing here. R equal to 0, R in here 0, R equal to 0 to n, R equal to 0 we get to NC 0, R equal to 1 we get to NC 1. But in this case R equal to 0, first term is 20C 3. Here 0 missing, 1 missing, 2 missing. So subtract 3 times. 20, here r equals 17, 17 plus 20c 20 n time. So 20c 0 minus 20c 1 minus 20c 2. Minus 20c 0 minus 16 whole power 0 minus 20c1 minus 16 whole power 1 minus 20c2 minus 16 whole power 2. Simplify it. minus 1 by 18 into 19 into 20 into 1 by 4 minus 15 whole power 20, which is 15 power 20 minus 20 is 0 1 1 into 1 1 this value 20 minus 20 into minus 16 plus 20c2 20 into 19 by 2 190 into 16 square 256. This is the final answer. Next problem, NC0 by n minus NC1 by n plus 1 NC2 by n plus 2 minus NC3 by n plus 3. Your formula is NCR by R plus 1. NCR by R plus 1. What's the formula? N plus 1 C R plus 1 by n plus 1. Using this procedure, it takes a lot of time. Difficult to solve. We take help of integration. For example, NCR by R plus 2 multiplied by NCR by R plus 2 multiplied by R plus 1 divided by R plus 1 using this formula NCR by R plus 1. Difficult to solve. It takes a lot of time. Many times are missing also. So NC3 by n plus 3 NC R by R plus 3 multiplied by R plus 1 into R plus 2 divided by R plus 1 into R plus 2. Difficult to solve. It takes a lot of time. So better one is we take help of integration. Consider 1 minus 6 whole power n. 1 minus 6 whole power n. NC0 minus NC1 x plus NC2 x square minus NC3 x power 3 plus NC4 x power 4 and so on. One important thing, integral x is x square by 2, integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here required x power n. Integral x power n is x power n by n plus 1. Here required x power n plus 1. Integral x power n plus 1 is x power n plus 2 by n plus 2. Here required x power n plus 2. So NC0 here required x power n required. So x into x power n minus 1. X into x power n minus 1 we get x power n. Here x square there. X square into x power n minus 1. So base are equal, power should be added n minus 1 plus 2 n plus 1. We get x power n plus 1. So better one is multiplied by x power n minus 1. Multiplied by x power n minus 1. X power n minus 1 into 1 minus x whole power n. Now NC0 x power n minus 1 minus NC1 x power n, NC2 x power n plus 1, NC3 x power n plus 2 plus NC4 x power n plus 3 and so on. Now taking integration. Integral x power n minus 1 into 1 minus x whole power n. 0 to 1. Upper limit 0, lower limit 0, upper limit is 1. Now integral 0 to 1 NC0 x power n minus 1, integral x power n minus 1 is x power n minus 1 plus 1 by n minus 1 plus 1. So x power n by n. That step వేస్తానండి. So 0 to 1 minus nc1 x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, 0 to 1, nc3 nc2 x power n plus 2 by n plus 2, 0 to 1, nc3 x power n plus 3 by n plus 3, 0 to 1, and so on. nc0 first upper limit minus lower limit. So 1 by n into x power n x minus x power 0 is 1. Here x equal to 1 power n 1 minus 0 power n 0. nc1 into x equal to 1 power n value is 1 minus 0 power n value is 0 by n plus 1 plus nc2 1 power n value is 1 0 power n value is 0 by n plus 2 nc3 1 minus 0 by n plus 3 and so on. nc0 by n minus nc1 by n plus 1 plus nc2 by n plus 2 minus nc3 by n plus 3 plus nc4 by n plus 4 and so on. So this result is integral 0 to 1 x power n minus 1 n minus 1 into 1 minus x whole power n. అంటే మనం దీనికి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే దీని ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా. సో దీనికి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో డిఫరెంట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్స్ మనం క్లియర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాము. ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ ఇప్పుడు x ఈక్వల్ టు sin స్క్వేర్ థీటా, ఇప్పుడు x ఈక్వల్ టు sin స్క్వేర్ థీటా, sin స్క్వేర్ థీటా చేస్తే ప్రాబ్లం ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది. 0 to 1 x equal to sin square theta. So x power sin square theta whole power n minus 1, 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta, cos power n theta, cos power n theta. సింపుల్ వేస్ వస్తుంది. మనం డిఫరెంట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్స్లో క్యాల్కులేట్ చేస్తాం. This one is x equal sin square theta, sin square theta whole power n minus 1, 1 minus x, 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta, cos power 2n theta. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్స్ అప్లై చేస్తే మనకు ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఫైండ్ nc0 by n plus 2 into n plus 3 minus nc1 by n plus 3 into n plus 4 plus nc2 by n plus 4 into n plus 5. 1 by 2 into 3. This will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Now take LCM, 2 into 3, numerator 3 minus 2, 1. Product of two consecutive integers, difference between these two is 1. So 1 by 2 into 3 version, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. For example, 1 by 4 into 5. This will be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5. 1 by 7 into 8. This will be 1 by 7 minus 1 by 8. 1 by 14 into 15. 1 by 14 minus 1 by 15. Both are the same. Now NC0, 1 by n plus 2, n plus 3. Difference between these two, 1. Now 1 by n plus 2 minus 1 by n plus 3. Minus NC1 into 1 by n plus 3 minus 1 by n plus 4 plus nc2 into 1 by n plus 4 minus 1 by n plus 5 and so on. Now nc0 by n plus 2 minus nc1 by n plus 3 plus nc2 by n plus 4 and so on, minus of, bring outside minus of nc0 by n plus 3. Now minus of minus plus, so minus nc1 by n plus 4, now plus minus into plus minus nc2 by n plus 5 and so on. Now taking integration, here we required x power n plus 2. We require x power n plus 2. What is the integral x power n plus 2? X power n plus 3 by n plus 3. So denominator is n plus 3 we get. 1 minus x whole power n, 1 minus x whole power n, it gives nc1x, nc0 plus nc1x plus nc2x square and so on. 1 minus x whole power n gives nc1 into x, but we required x power n plus 2 required here. So multiply by x power n plus 1. Now x power 1 into x power n plus 1, we get x power n plus 2. So 1 minus x whole power n into x power n plus 1. 1 minus x power whole power n, x power n plus 1 తో మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తే మనకి సీక్వెన్స్ వస్తుందండి. బిఫోర్ దిస్ వన్ x power n plus 2 వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ఏం వస్తుంది మనకి 1 minus x whole power n gives nc2x square, but here required x power n plus 3. X power n plus 3 required. So multiplied by x power n plus 1. X power n plus 1. Now into x power n plus 1. nc2 x power n plus 3. We get x power n plus 3. So integral x power n by n plus 3 is x power n plus 4 by n plus 4. So this one is integral 0 to 1 minus x whole power n into x power n plus 1 minus, here we required x power n plus 3, integral x power n plus 3 is x power n plus 4 by n plus 4. Here required x power n plus 4. 1 minus x whole power n, it gives nc1 into x. So multiplied by x power n plus 2. X power n plus 2 multiple చేస్తాం అనుకోండి, x into x power n plus 2, we get nc1 into x power n plus 3. x power n plus 3 వస్తుంది కదండి. సో here integral 0 to 1 minus x whole power n into x power n plus 2. X power n plus 2 dx. Okay, I hope you are understanding this one. Now finally integral 0 to 1, what is the common? 1 minus x power n into x power n plus 1, bring outside. So 1 minus x. So x into x power n plus 1, we get x power n plus 2 dx. Now integral 0 to 1 minus x power 1 minus x whole power n into 1 minus x whole power n plus 1 into x power n plus 1 dx. సో హియర్ put x equals sin square theta or cos square theta. డెఫినెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ లో మనకి కాన్సెప్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాం. x ఈక్వల్ sin square theta cos square theta ఏదో ఒకటి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ప్రాబ్లం ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది మనకి.